Coinbase is a digital currency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It is one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms for beginners to enter the world of cryptocurrency. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do trading online on Coinbase and secure your payments transactions in 2024. Sign up. Visit the Coinbase website, coinbase.com, and create an account by providing your email address, creating a strong password, and entering your name. You may also need to verify your phone number and complete identity verification to adhere to regulatory requirements. Add payment method. Add a payment method to your account. Coinbase accepts various payment methods such as bank accounts, wire transfers, and debit cards. Make sure to provide accurate information for your chosen payment method. Verify your payment method. Coinbase will require you to verify your payment method by making a small transaction and then entering the amount in your account. This step ensures the security and authenticity of your account. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the Coinbase platform by navigating through its different sections. Understand the order book, market charts, and other features to get a better understanding of the platform. Buy cryptocurrencies. Once you're familiar with the platform, you can start buying cryptocurrencies. Go to the Buy Sell tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Choose your payment method, enter the amount you wish to spend, and confirm the transaction. Store your cryptocurrencies. Coinbase provides a built-in digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. You can also choose to store them offline in a separate wallet for added security. Sell or trade your cryptocurrencies. To sell or trade your cryptocurrencies, go to the Buy, Sell tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Choose your payment method, enter the amount you wish to sell, and confirm the transaction. Secure your payments and transactions. To ensure the security of your payments and transactions, follow these tips. A. Use a strong, unique password for your Coinbase account. B. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of security. C. Keep your personal information, such as your email address and phone number, up to date and secure. D. Store your recovery phrases securely and never share them with anyone. E. Regularly update your Coinbase account and devices software to the latest versions. F. Be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources, as they may contain malware or phishing attempts. In short, Coinbase is a popular, user-friendly platform for beginners to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To use Coinbase, sign up, add a payment method, verify it, explore the platform, buy, sell cryptocurrencies, and store them securely. Ensure secure payments and transactions by using strong passwords, 2FA, updating software, and being cautious with personal information. And now you can follow these steps and security measures for successfully trade cryptocurrencies on Coinbase and protect your payments and transactions.